Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to utilize the to-do list feature in Band app. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Band app and then tap on your band. Tap on post to start creating a post. Type your description and then tap on the three dots button. Scroll down and find the to-do list option. Here, type the name of your list. Now type the name of your things you have to do, like push-ups, leg workouts, chin-ups, and etc. You can also allow anyone to add more work here by turning the button below on. You can also enable a deadline on this to-do list using the last option and choose a deadline. Once everything is done, tap on the Done button on the top right corner. Now tap on the OK button at the same place to publish this to-do list with your members. That's it. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.